You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Oh my God!
Yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like my. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up.
Oh shit!
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy.
What's up, you guys? This is Adeem. Before we start this video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for 1K subscriber. Yep. Right now we're at nearly 1K and 200 subs, so let's keep on grinding. And today we are going to go to the Brett's car meet.
What's up?
So he's the one that hosts the car meets in Memphis, Tennessee. So it's about to be very exciting, and yeah, can't wait to see you guys there. All right, so we are here at the meet. We are waiting for some more cars. We have the E30. Yep.
That's loud. That's loud.
Yeah.
I'm so happy with how this is.
How many? Bro, there's over 200 cars. Oh wait, yo. The Supra.
Yo, bro, this means.
Let's see what we have there. Let's just walk around and see what we got. Look at that Supra with the green wheels. Let's look at that McLaren. Dang, that McLaren is nice. Let's check the inside too. Got another Supra. We got a couple more C8s. If you guys don't remember, he gave me a ride in his 335i. This thing sounded so loud. I love the power on this car, man. He actually installed the new spoiler on it, so this car looks so freaking nice. So yeah, some more Mustangs. That Mazda RX-7 S14. Some nice American muscle cars. Nice Z06 built here. Let's see. Some more Civics. A Nissan GTR. At Honda Civic Type R, 370Z. More Honda Civic Type R. Such a clean Honda. And then Golf R2, the GTI. Rev it. Bro. Now that is loud. That is loud. That's here. Sir Caleb. Alright guys, so we are going up there to check out some more cars leaving, so stay tuned for that. Guys, the Viper is behind us. Alright. It is so packed. Dang. See it? See it? That flyby. Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god. Damn. Oh, good. We're good.
Hey, rip that shit.
Rip. No, I said nah.
Ah, fuck.
Oh yeah, I see it. 01. Floor it. Bro. I know, bro. That is not stock at all.
It's 500.
Oh, that key is Stinger. got you, bro. Slide it.
Come on. You got to, bro.
Let's go. Oh my God.
That's the shit we
Let's go.
Alright, get back to the car.
Rev it. All right. All right. Here goes. Damn, oh my God. Yeah. Floor it, floor it. Yeah. These two. Floor it. Yeah. All right. Ooh. This thing moves, not gonna lie, bro. Alright. Oh, Ooh. Yo. Dang.
Alright, that's it. We gotta get out of here.
Alright, yeah. Alright, guys, so I forgot to film the outro, but here it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. And of course, like I said, thank you guys so much for 1K subscribers. I really do appreciate it. Hopefully that I'll film some more content of car meets around Memphis. So, and hopefully I'll do some more realistic car animations. So, yeah. Peace out, guys.